Welcome family. I'm gonna make an old-fashioned meatloaf for supper today. I've changed things up a little bit from how my mama made it. So I've got 4 pounds of ground chuck. Okay. I've got 2 eggs. And I'm going to put some oatmeal in it. This helps keep it more moist so it doesn't dry out as bad. My mom always used oatmeal in hers. It gives it a really good texture too. I'm going to put some milk in. The milk is what keeps it from drying out so bad. Some people use it, some don't. The oats you use as a binder. I had that backwards, but I'm going to use 2 packs of onion soup mix. Now, Mom, she used to put, well, let me get the scissors. She used to put cut up onions in hers. And I used to do that, but we like the flavor of this soup mix in there. So if you want to use real onions, if you want to put green peppers in, however you want to fix yours, there's no wrong way, there's no right way. Just however your family likes it. Okay. There isn't but one way that I get into this. The hands. If you want to use gloves, honey, you use gloves. I've used my hands in this most of my life, and I'm 71, so seems to work okay. Just gonna get this all mixed in there. I got a loaf of bread in the oven baking. Changed up on what we was gonna have. We're gonna have some mac and cheese, some greens, fresh baked bread, and meatloaf.
Yay.
Yes, yay, yay, yay.
I love meatloaf.
We haven't had meatloaf in a while either.
No, it's been a while.
Yep.
I know when I used to make meatloaf, it was usually with whatever I had left in the fridge of stuff, so.
I remember my mama, she used to tear up pieces of bread or biscuit and put in her meatloaf and use that as a binder. Get in there and squish that stuff.
Yeah.
Squish it up, mix it all real good. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. You notice I'm not using my dirty hand to touch stuff, so y'all can't get on to me. This is going to be a big old meatloaf. Hope this is going to hold all of it. Time I get it all mushed in there. Mush it, mash it, you do whatever you have to do. It's a cool day today, so I don't mind the oven being on, baking bread and going to bake this. So.
Nice because it's cool, so now we can do things with the oven on days when it's in the 90s.
Yeah, because I have held off on making meatloaf for a while now because of the hot weather. Let's take it out and push it down. Sometimes I bake it in the cast iron skillet, sometimes not. Eric said just to use the casserole dish today, so that's what I'm doing. Now, Mom always covered hers in ketchup. always, and I do too. Now, if you notice, this is 50% less sugar and sodium in this, so.
Squeezed out okay?
Yeah.
Can I
I'll
help
wash
you?
my hand in a minute. I might have you go ahead. While you're doing that, I'm gonna wash my hands.
I can multitask.
I'm gonna take this and just kind of do this.
Here.
Got my hands all washed. They're good and clean. Some people don't like to use ketchup. Some people use tomato sauce. Some people use barbecue sauce. It's however you want to make it. This is just how I make it. Well, we've got this ready to go in the oven when the bread comes out. And when everything's done, I'm going to plate up Eric a plate of food and let him do a taste test for y'all.
I was doing a happy dance.
Yes, he is over there doing a happy dance. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. Meatloaf's out of the oven. I'm letting it sit. Before I even begin to slice it, gonna let it sit for a little bit. Eric got the grease drained out. I've got the mac and cheese on ready to cook and the greens, and we will be back. Got the bread out of the oven, got it, some of it sliced up. Christopher ate a big piece before he headed into work a while ago. Okay, my sweet Eric's got his plate fixed.
I'm ready. It's good. It's good. Y'all go about your business.
Well, he's enjoying it, and I'm sure the rest of them are too. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Remember, it's going to be okay, and we love y'all.